Hello students, today I will summarize the political divisions of Europe. If you compare the areas of the 7 continents of the world, Europe ranks 6th. Largest country in Europe, Russia. It is located in the eastern part of Europe. Smallest country of Europe, Vatican City, is also the smallest country of the world. There are 50 countries in Europe. It is easier to learn the countries of Europe since it is divided into groups of countries such as Scandinavian countries, British Isles, Iberian Peninsula, Italy and Greece, Baltic states, Russia and former Soviet Union, Low countries, Balkan states. First, Scandinavian countries. Scandinavian countries includes countries such as Norway, Sweden, Iceland, Denmark. Finland is not part of Scandinavian countries. We will see the location of these countries in the map of Europe. This is the location of Scandinavian countries. Norway, capital in Oslo. Sweden, capital Stockholm. Denmark, capital Copenhagen. Iceland, capital Reykjavik, and Finland with its capital Helsinki. Next, British Isles. British Isles are made up of 5,000 islands. British Isles has two independent countries, United Kingdom and Republic of Ireland. We will see the location of these two countries of this group into the map of Europe. This is the location of British Isles, United Kingdom, capital London, Ireland, Dublin. You can use mnemonics to learn the capital of these countries. For example, capital of Ireland, that is Dublin, it sounds like double island. So it is easier for you to learn the capital of countries when you use mnemonics. You can make your own mnemonics as well to learn the capital of the countries. Next, Iberian Peninsula is located in western part of Europe. It consists of two countries, Portugal, capital Lisbon, Spain, capital Madrid. Next is Italy and Greece. Capital of Italy is Rome. Capital of Greece, Athens. Next group of countries, Baltic states. Baltic states are to the south of Scandinavian countries. These are Baltic states. Estonia with capital Tallinn. You can use mnemonics over here. Estonia's Tony and Tallinn's tall. So the mnemonic you can use, Tony is tall for the capital of Estonia, that is Tallinn. Next, capital of Latvia is Riga. Next, Lithuania, capital Vilnius. You can make your own mnemonics for these capitals. Next group of country, Russia and former Soviet Union. Russia is located in the eastern part of Europe with capital Moscow. This group of countries consists of former Soviet Union, which is located above the Black Sea. These countries located above the Black Sea are the former Soviet Union. Countries such as Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia are the other Baltic states, are also the part of this group of countries. Next group of countries, after Russia and former Soviet Union, are the low countries. Low countries are located to the north of France and Germany and to the south of United Kingdom. Low countries includes Belgium in blue color with its capital Brussels, which is famous for Brussels sprouts. Next, Luxembourg, capital Bonn. Next, Netherlands, its capital is Amsterdam, located over here near Rotterdam. Rotterdam is the largest seaport of Europe. So it is easier to learn the capital of Netherlands, that is Amsterdam. It is called lowline country because it is in the lower region. Next, Balkan states are located to the south of Europe between Adriatic Sea and Black Sea. It includes countries like Slovenia, Serbia and Montenegro. Greece is also part of this group of country. Bulgaria, Romania. That's all for political division of Europe. Thank you.